India is the home to world's largest population of individuals with disabilities, with a staggering 63.28 million people. Unfortunately, individuals with disabilities in India often face a lifetime of marginalization. Invisible and isolated, they exist on the fringes of the society. No welcoming smile, no outstretched hands. Their lives a mere whisper, drowned out by the din of indifference. Their stories untold and unseen, lost in the shadows of neglect. Now it's time to shift the narrative, to focus on ability, not disability. Let's break down barriers, challenge assumptions, and unleash the potential within. Welcome to one of India's largest pioneering centers, where empowering individuals with disabilities is a way of life.
Namaskar. Mahavir Seva Sadan was established in the year 1985. It was a godown about 200 square feet. The sole object was to restore smile and dignity in the life of the differently abled persons as well as in their family. It was resolved that all the services and facilities will be absolutely free of any cost or consideration.
Witness our transformation from a small 200 square feet room on Kabir Road in 1985 to a 20,000 square feet space on Iqbalpur Lane in 2008. And finally, to our state-of-the-art 105,000 square feet Pailan facility in 2025. Welcome to Mahavir Seva Sadan, a beacon of hope for individuals with disabilities across India. Our mission is to empower every person with a disability to live a life of dignity and independence. We provide cutting-edge artificial limbs, including legs, hands, calipers, and customized shoes, completely free of cost. Our team of expert doctors, prosthetic engineers, and physiotherapists work tirelessly to ensure that each individual receives the best possible care. With both in-house and mobile services, we reach out to people with disabilities in rural and urban areas, bridging the gap in accessibility. Our workforce is a powerful example of empowerment in action. Many of our team members are individuals with disabilities, proving that given the opportunity, people can thrive and become leaders in their own right. Spanning across eastern India, our network and 4 disability treatment centers, 3 in and around Kolkata and 1 in Bihar, provides critical care and support to those who need it most. Introducing our crown jewel, the Pailan facility, a state-of-the-art haven that redefines the landscape of care and empowerment. As one of India's most modern facilities, we proudly offer comprehensive, free services under one roof. From the comfort of our residential options to the cutting-edge technology of our Autobox equipment, every detail has been designed with their needs in mind. With 70,000 square feet of space, our main building is complemented by a 20,000 square feet multi-speciality medical center and a 15,000 square feet service building. Our multiple disorder care unit provides a holistic, patient-centric approach, delivering comprehensive services tailored to the unique needs of individuals living with multiple disorders. Physiotherapy, occupational therapy, hydrotherapy, sensory garden, speech therapy, sensory integration. Our special school is more than a place of learning. It's a community that celebrates diversity and promotes inclusivity. Here, children with special needs find their voice, develop their talents, and build lasting friendships. Surrounded by a team of dedicated professionals who believe in their abilities. For those who call our facility home, we provide a warm and welcoming residential environment and nutritious meals served in our on-site canteen. Experience the future of healthcare at our state-of-the-art medical center, where world-class facilities and expert care come together to deliver exceptional patient outcomes. Within our artificial limb unit, we are transforming lives one prosthetic at a time. Our dedicated team works tirelessly to design, manufacture, and fit customized artificial limbs, helping individuals overcome physical limitations and unlock their full potential. A thorough assessment by our experienced medical team is the first step towards empowering individuals with the care and support they need to thrive. Our medical team conducts meticulous measurements, carefully capturing every detail to craft customized prosthetic solutions. With prosthetic leg in place, our patients take their first steps towards independence. Using parallel bars for support, they learn to walk again, rebuilding strength and confidence with each step. Our vision is a world where people with disabilities are treated with dignity, respect, and compassion. A world where they are given the confidence to pursue their dreams and the opportunities to reach their full potential. A world where they are visible, vocal, and valued for who they are. Where they are taught that they are second to none and given the confidence to believe in themselves. Our mission is to make this vision a reality and create a brighter, more inclusive future for all. महावीर सेवा सदन, आशाएं, dare to dream.